The tablet that finally makes your laptop obsolete isn't a MacBook, and it's not an iPad Pro. It's something much more powerful, much more refined, and it's coming sooner than you think. Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we dive deep into the future of the devices you love. Today, we're looking at the absolute king of the hill, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. If you've been holding off on an upgrade, or if you're looking to ditch your laptop for something truly mobile, you need to hear this, because the leaks we're seeing for the S12 Ultra aren't just incremental, they are a total game changer. For years, the iPad Pro has sat comfortably on the throne as the most powerful tablet on the planet. But with the Tab S12 Ultra, Samsung isn't just trying to catch up, they are looking to take over. We're talking about a device that bridges the gap between a portable slate and a professional workstation in a way we've never seen before. From a display that defies physics to a processor that brings desktop-grade performance to your fingertips, let's break down every authentic detail we know about the next monster from Samsung. The first thing you're going to notice about the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is the design. Samsung has been refining the Ultra aesthetic for years, but the S12 Ultra is rumored to take a massive leap forward by finally addressing the one thing everyone has been complaining about, the notch. Yes, you heard that right. Trusted industry sources suggest that Samsung has perfected under-display camera technology specifically for the large format screens of the S series. This means that for the first time on an Ultra tablet, you're going to get an uninterrupted edge-to-edge canvas. The bezels are getting even thinner, pushed to the absolute limit of what's possible while still allowing you to hold the device without accidental touches. But it's not just about the look, it's about the build. We're expecting Samsung to follow the lead of the S25 Ultra smartphone and introduce a titanium frame to the Tab S12 Ultra. This isn't just for prestige. Titanium is significantly stronger and lighter than the armor aluminum used in previous generations. On a tablet this massive, a 14.6-inch behemoth, every gram counts. By switching to titanium, Samsung could deliver a tablet that feels lighter in the hand than the current S11 Ultra, despite housing more powerful internals. Speaking of that 14.6-inch display, this is where Samsung is going to reclaim its crown. While the S11 Ultra was a masterpiece, the S12 Ultra is tipped to feature the first Tandem OLED panel on a Samsung tablet. If that sounds familiar, it's because it's the same technology Apple recently used to make the iPad Pro screens so incredibly bright. By layering two OLED panels on top of each other, the Tab S12 Ultra could achieve a peak brightness of over 2000 nits. Imagine working outside, in direct sunlight, and still seeing every detail of your color-accurate project or 4K movie. Combine that with Samsung's industry-leading anti-reflective coating, and you have a display that is quite literally in a class of its own. Under the hood, the Tab S12 Ultra is preparing to unleash a beast. After experimenting with MediaTek in previous years, the word in the supply chain is that Samsung is going all in with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 for the S12 Ultra. This isn't just a mobile chip, this is a silicon powerhouse designed to compete directly with Apple's M-series processors. We are looking at massive gains in multi-core performance, which is exactly what a device this size needs for heavy multitasking. Whether you're editing 8K video in LumaFusion, running complex CAD designs, or playing the latest AAA games at max settings, the S12 Ultra won't just handle it, it will breeze through it. But power is nothing without intelligence, and that brings us to the core of the S12 Ultra experience, Galaxy AI 3.0. We aren't just talking about circle-to-search or basic translation anymore. The S12 Ultra is being built as an AI-first workstation. Imagine a device that can watch your Zoom meeting in real time and not only transcribe it but create a formatted Word document with action items and key takeaways automatically. Think about a creative workflow where the S Pen uses generative AI to turn your rough sketches into finished digital art instantly, right on the device without needing a cloud connection. The dedicated NPU in the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is what makes this possible, and it's going to make the S12 Ultra feel like a device from the future. The S Pen itself is getting a major overhaul too. While the design might look similar, the internal tech is seeing a massive boost in polling rates. We are looking at near-zero latency, making the experience of writing on the S12 Ultra indistinguishable from pen on paper. There are also rumors of a Pro version of the S Pen that features a haptic engine, giving you subtle feedback as you draw, mimicking the feel of different textures like charcoal, pencil, or paint. This is the kind of detail that professional artists in the US and Europe have been asking for, and Samsung is finally listening. Now, let's talk about the one area where tablets usually fail: productivity. Samsung Dex has always been the secret sauce that made Galaxy tablets better for work than iPads, but with the S12 Ultra, Dex is evolving. We're expecting a new hybrid Dex mode that allows for a much more seamless integration with Windows. Imagine being able to use your Tab S12 Ultra as a second screen for your laptop, but instead of just being a dumb monitor, you can drag and drop files directly between Android and Windows with zero lag. It's about creating a unified ecosystem where your tablet and your PC work as one single machine. Connectivity is another area where the S12 Ultra will lead. We are looking at the inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 as standard across all premium markets. If you have a compatible router, the speeds are going to be astronomical, perfect for cloud gaming or transferring massive video files. And for those on the move, the 5G model will likely feature the latest X80 modem from Qualcomm, ensuring you have a rock-solid connection even in crowded areas. Of course, all this power requires a lot of juice. The S12 Ultra is rumored to keep the massive 11,600 mAh battery, but thanks to the efficiency of the 3nm processor, we're expecting a significant jump in actual screen-on time. We could finally be looking at a true 15 to 18-hour battery life for real-world work. And for the first time in what feels like forever, there is a strong rumor that Samsung is finally upgrading the charging speed. While 45W has been the standard for years, the S12 Ultra might finally jump to 65W fast charging, allowing you to top up that massive battery in a fraction of the time. In terms of cameras, while nobody uses a 14-inch tablet for photography, the front-facing setup is critical. With the notch gone, Samsung is expected to use a high-resolution 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor hidden under the glass. This camera will feature improved auto-framing and advanced AI noise reduction for the microphones, ensuring that you look and sound like a pro on every video call, regardless of your lighting. So, when can you get your hands on this? Based on Samsung's typical release cycles, we expect the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra to be unveiled at a dedicated Unpacked event in late 2026. As for the price, quality like this doesn't come cheap. In the US market, we expect the S12 Ultra to start around $1,199, positioning it directly against the 13-inch iPad Pro and high-end Ultra portables. But when you consider that the S Pen is included in the box, unlike the Apple Pencil, the value proposition for professional users is incredibly strong. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is shaping up to be more than just a tablet. It's a statement. It's a sign that the era of mobile-only tablets is over and the era of the true anywhere workstation has begun. Whether you're a creative professional, a high-level executive, or a student who wants the absolute best, the S12 Ultra is the device to watch. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Vibe. We want to hear from you. Is the removal of the notch enough to make you switch from an iPad? Or are you waiting for that Snapdragon Elite power? Let us know in the comments below. We read every single one, and your feedback helps us bring you the best tech coverage on YouTube. If you enjoyed this deep dive, do us a huge favor, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Vibe. We have a lot more exclusive leaks and deep dive reviews coming your way, and you won't want to miss our full comparison between the S12 Ultra and the next M-series iPad. Turn on those notifications so you're the first to know when the future of tech drops. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve and keep those vibes high.